on the 9th of December of 2015, if I understand correctly, the announcement has been made that Mr. Nene has been removed. You have been appointed as the new Minister of Finance, and your swearing-in ceremony is to take place on the 10th of December of 2015. You start to consider in your mind who might you get to come and assist you in your new role or in your new capacity as the Minister of Finance, and you come upon the name of Mr. Bobat, and you decide that he's the person that you would like to come and assist you. Do you understand that correctly?
Yes, I do. I've got an interest on him being part of my team as my advisor, because the field that I was deployed to lead will require a person of his caliber in terms of his academic qualification. It was purely on merit.
Within the ANC, you're always pursuing excellence.
Correct.
And in the pursuit of excellence, with the name of a person who has told you that he has certain qualifications, you've never seen his CV, you've never verified whether the information that he's given you is correct, you then offer that person a job as the special advisor to the Minister of Finance. That's what you're saying.
But also, maybe to add on what you are saying, someone who has demonstrated through my engagement with him that he understands the subject matter. But also, I knew, besides me trusting him not to be telling me the lie, I knew that there was a process that I'm going to subject him to, which is normally championed by DPSA.
Why did you confine yourself to this person with whom you had met only once in 6 years or so, to whom you had talked once or twice on the phone in 6 years, when there must be many people, some of whom within the ANC, I have no doubt, who would qualify and have experience in relation to financial matters, from whom you could make your choice?
Chair, I had no time, because remember I had to hit the ground running. So I had to prioritize some positions in my office so as I can hit the ground running. So in my situation, I then prioritize the two positions, because I knew that as I go into National Treasury, it's a formidable institution. There will be people who can also complement these two that have earmarked. So it was just a matter of prioritizing on my side as to what are the immediate tasks that I need to do, or what are the immediate positions that I needed to fill.
You are obviously aware in 2015, you were familiar with Regiment's capital. And at the time when you appointed when you made the offer to Mr. Bobat, you were aware that he in fact worked for Regiment's capital at the time, is that correct?
No, I was not correct. He only brought it to my attention when I discussed with him at the unit building.
Were you aware of some of the rumors that were swirling in the media at the time?
Yes, I was aware. What
were the rumors?
I mean, about some implications in the certain act of malfeasances.
Yes.
But I don't have the details, but I'm saying I was aware because I read business newspapers from time to time.
And the fact that you were aware of the rumors of malfeasance on the part of Regiment's capital, you had no concerns about his own integrity. Is that correct?
No, because he was not necessarily implicated in what was happening or what was said in the newspaper about the Regiment company. That issue at that time was that much of concern, because it was not allegations against Mr. Bobat. You know, if it was against Mr. Bobat, I would have definitely treated it differently.
But you didn't know who at regiments may have been involved, did you? In regard to those allegations?
No, those allegations were not citing him.
No, but I'm saying without an investigation as to whether he and other people may have been involved, you wouldn't know whether later on it will turn out that he was involved.
Definitely, Chair, and that's why I employed the principle of trust that I had on him. And that, of course, considering his qualifications, then I prioritize his identification.
Of course, the trust that you had on him was based on the fact that you were meeting this person only for the second time in your life.
Yeah, but we engaged.
Yeah, no, I'll come to that.
Yes.
2, you had talked to him once or twice on the phone. That's all.
Yes.